seems like most people's attention spans nowadays are so bad they can't sit through a 1 or 2 minute video without having to click away, scroll through some comments, or just distract themselves with something else. And it's funny that a lot of the time we like to attribute our bad attention spans to anything besides ourselves. We like to say, oh, it's society, oh, it's social media, our phones, they're just built to take away our attention. And it's not my fault because there's too many attention grabbing things around me and I just can't control it. It's not on me. It's on everyone else. It's on my environment, what's around me. It's not my fault. The thing is, when it comes to your attention span, there's 2 things you can do. Complain about it or improve it. In the end, there's a game that's to be played, and you can either complain about the game or you can attempt to win the game. And the first step to winning this game is to understand that your attention span is your responsibility. It's your responsibility to improve your attention span, and you're the only one who can do this. And I won't BS you or waste your time. I'll tell you that the only way to improve your attention span is to do activities that require you to hold your attention and stop doing activities that allow you to constantly switch your attention. Now, 2 examples of the former, where you're forced to actively hold your attention, are reading and meditation. These are 2 activities where you're forced to hold your attention for a long period of time without being able to switch from stimulus to stimulus at a moment's notice. If you can get better at these 2 activities, if you can bring yourself to read for longer or meditate for longer, as a whole, your attention span is going to get significantly better. On the other hand, if you're constantly engaging in activities that allow you to constantly switch your attention span from one thing to the next, from second to second, then your attention span is going to get worse. This includes things like social media, Reels, TikTok, anything in which you're looking at one video or one particular thing for a couple seconds and then switching to the next without a moment's thought. So you want the fast track to increase your attention span and your focus? Read more, meditate more, be on social media less. That's as simple as I can put it. And honestly, if you take this advice, then you'll be ahead of 95% of people when it comes to attention span because no one else is bothering to do these things. This easy of a fix can put you way ahead of the curve because there's quite literally no competition. If you want to be the type of person who can focus on their studies or their work or their passion for hours at a time without their attention deviating, then you have to be willing to put in the work to improve your attention span. This is an active process. It's not something that's passively going to happen to you. You have to take the initiative and improve yourself. And without work on your part, nothing will change. You can strengthen your mind or you can remain complacent. The choice is up to you.